Hello guys and welcome to this new video at Crypto Vault. On today's video we gonna discuss the Cardano or ADA price prediction and much more. For a long time crypto market experts have been endeavoring to convey an automated asset, the greatest advanced cash that would be a one-stop reply for keeping an eye on all matters concerning flexibility among tradability and impact all of the obstructions and inventive inconsistencies including the advanced monetary standards were settled when Cardano ADA was established. Cardano ADA advantageous digital asset. Before we jump into the Cardano cost assumption, let us view a piece of the excellent components of Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, prime ally of Ethereum himself, didn't understand that he was in for great increments when he made improvised manifestations in his regarded progressed successors, making Cardano ADA cost, clearing out all defects and hindrances, giving the world a one-stop plan. Cardano blockchain fights all hindrances concerning flexibility, interoperability and organization. One backed by a serious gathering of specialists working nearly extravagantly to ensure the instrument of Cardano is tailor-made to suit monetary sponsor necessities. To an all-day everyday relentless visit and email support ensures monetary benefactors by and large participate in the fundamental hand-holding while simultaneously doing any trades. 3. Setting higher benchmarks for its clients. This cryptographic currency market intends to make unquestionable securing for all of its monetary sponsor. 4. Being an open source code programming, the helpfulness of Cardano chips away at entirely clear straightforwardness as well as trade protection in the association. 5. The zero revelation confirmation puts the power in the ownership of an authoritative client working with the entire trade strategy's mathematical consistency. 6. The part of Cardano is conceptualized to the point that it ensures lightning fast speed of trades on the association. 7. Cardano can trap phony or tricky trades by peers, wherein an avowed square is prepared for following the primary square. 8. ADA owners partake in the advantage of obtaining rewards either by sharing their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. Cardano Foundation, the community footprints. The inventive neighborhood Cardano project is highlighted, passing cash related gains on to the clients by the association. It bears the value to educate and alert them on all the no fuss of the crypto world. The foundation provided for Cardano Foundation's undertaking has support from Input, Output Hong Kong and Emergo, assuming the all-out agreement of risk towards monetary patron. Social explanation. Emergo maintains business gathering and IAC really focuses on a superficial level. They are together liable for altering the entire imaginative idiosyncrasy woven into Cardano advancement. Making formal methods brings up of interest. The whole portfolio is exactingly investigated and analyzed by specialists before a public conveyance. Cardano's social class is significantly intense and spreading mass regard for the mechanized asset ADA upheld by guidance on blockchain and DeFi regions, with clergymen, advocates, experts of industry having an overall effect maintained by articulate methodology, makes Cardano stand separated from its companions and basically impacts different industry segments. Frederick Grigard, the chief executive officer, has the vision at present significantly cut for the corporate. Cardano Foundation has a committed and top quality capacity base which will take Cardano higher than at any other time, and I surmise that the accompanying 2 or 3 years will be a basic advancement period for the show. Cardano, the recent upgrades. There were a lot of redesigns for Cardano in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the main update. As of now comes the Hydra update that has attracted the thought of a numerous people. The Alonzo Purple overhaul procured an immense change, the kind of wise arrangements it has opened the entrances for non-fungible tokens NFT and upset the chain. It will moreover upgrade the coin and will help with making the value twofold close to the completion of this ongoing year. What's more, Cardano ADA saw 100 million unique wallets back in May, but the amount of wallets has increased to 200 million over the latest half-year. By and by the association will have the assistance move forward its flexibility to all the more promptly oblige the new clients. Here Hydra overhauls expect a key part. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling reply for Cardano and it assists push the association for business with utilizing it. Will introduce 1000 Hydra center points which are outfitted for managing 1000 trades each second. If it is substantial, Cardano will be the most raised scaling network on earth. In any case, no day for the opening shot has been accounted for now, but the news continuous business area worth of ADA coin it is correct now trading above 090 mark and gets its place as the 10th greatest in the advanced money market, as demonstrated by the market capitalization Cardano technical analysis. Cardano's improvement has been basic throughout the span of the previous year. This moment, it is the 10th greatest computerized money by market capitalization. The improvement is overwhelmingly a result of the lift in its usage cases. Lately, the ADA Cardano network has announced another move up to make the trade smooth and basic. As of now, the Cardano esteem gauges are a point of convergence of income for a few monetary patrons. ADA Cardano price all through the past 7 days was in a scope between 0.87 to 0.98. The overall idea is buy here is a continuous particular assessment for the Cardano. There is a ton to be said about the particular assessment side of computerized money. Cardano's nearby token ADA is traded on various exchanges by countless clients generally speaking and has arranged itself with its natural potential among its other crypto rivals, developing some fair positive headway. The Cardano ADA market cap beginning around the last November is 61,345,625,976, beginning from the beginning of the persistent year ADOST has sorted out some way to reflect moderate power, ensuing to hitting a low around 0.76. Additionally, the Cardano cost has sorted out some way to hold strong assistance of 0.70 from the beginning of this ongoing year, in any case ensuing to hitting 160 in January. The ADA cost was trading at lower levels. Then the cash showed a tremendous recovery, showing a genuinely bullish model, aided by solid areas for a no matter what the horrible market designs from mid-March ensuing to infiltrating the 120 mark, the expense of Cardano to fight XQSL and altered and fell underneath one. Nevertheless, all through ongoing hours, the coin reflects credibility of cost recovery Cardano versus other coins. To know the veritable improvement of any altcoin, it becomes fundamental to separate crypto estimates for the show and basics of cryptographic types of cash to that of an altcoin. As of now, Binance Coin is in third circumstance after Bitcoin, and Ethereum Cardano is in the 10th position, with an impressive future to move in the position. Coming up next is an overall graph that clearly shows the improvement of future Cardano costs. Cardano versus Bitcoin. The continuous expense of Bitcoin is around 41k. However, the continuous expense of Cardano is around 0.94. Bitcoin BTC is a leader of cryptographic cash and is a safer endeavor decision, as it has a more prominent neighborhood. Not long after the Bitcoin rally, various altcoins including Ethereum Shiba Inu were rapidly creating. However, Cardano is at this point growing yet is after a short time going to work with various dApps, with the result of canny understanding blend. Cardano has phenomenal space for benefits. Cardano could have the choice to give you high advantages with less theory. Total eventually says our Cardano cost gauges Cardano versus Ethereum. The continuous expense of Ethereum is around 3100. However, the continuous expense is around 0.94. Cardano has a twofold layer plan, while Ethereum uses a singular layer plan. To put it in fundamental words, all of the settlements and computations are independently done in Cardano, while in Ethereum, each and every emblematic trade assessments and settlements are finished simultaneously. The expense of Cardano is plainly going to ascend in light of the fact that its blockchain is prepared for offering different applications, in view of which the interest is essentially going to augment in a little. While Cardano versus Binance Coin, the continuous expense of the Binance Coin is around 427, while the continuous expense of Cardano is around 0.94. Binance and Cardano are exceptionally similar to the extent that both of them use assortments of the proof of stake shows, while other altcoins use the POW framework. In any case, they also have a couple of differentiations. Cardano is at this point saw as in its making stage, and when it develops totally, it is ordinary to leave a mark on the world. In the crypto world, Cardano is a ton faster, to the extent that trade speed. Instead of Binance Cardano price forecast, ask the expert. Here are various crypto experts who trust the Cardano ADA cost guess as very confident, having enormous accruing potential and backing monetary patrons, giving shine